hello, good evening, Andarki Namaste. Welcome to Brand Mandir Live. I'm showcasing beautiful Banarasi silk sarees. Let's move to the mannequins and then come back to our collection. Now back to our collection. The saree which I am wearing is very pretty. Peach color, very bright peach with a combination of pink. Look at the saree, how beautiful and pretty. All over florals and leaf jal. And the border is kadi with munia booties and with pink edge contrast. And this is the stunning pallu, rich kadi pallu with border. So beautiful. And the blouse is self color. You can go for contrast pink sleeveless blouse. Even that looks amazing on this. And e saree pricing and details, let me show you. 14,640. It's a pure Banarasi silk. And these are weavers prices. Only for 24 hours. For more updates, follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook Brand Mandir page. And alage YouTube lo kuda ma channel Brand Mandir ni subscribe cheyandi, like cheyandi, share cheyandi, and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection, you will be getting notified. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Wow, one more pastel shade, very pretty blue with a combination of green, lovely sea green. And all over body and the leaves and florals vachai and pastels kuda and border vachesi you can call this as a Parsi style. It's a thread weave and zari mixed weave with lovely huge florals and pastels with leaves and vines and cross cutty border. It's a contrast border, green color. And let's see the pallu. Pallu is also contrast with cross cutty. Madhyalo vachesi florals vachai with temples. And let's see the blouse. And this is the beautiful contrast blouse with border. This is the border. And e saree pricing and details. 16,000. It's kuda pure Banarasi silk. This is the color. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Wow, lovely purple. Single color. All over floral booties. And border vachesi cross cutty. Pallu is cross cutty. Rich pallu, and the blouse is self plain blouse with border, and this is how it looks. Too good andi, very pretty. And e saree pricing and details. Wow, 9,360. Nenu chuinchevanni pure Banarasi silk sarees at weavers prices. And the price varies, depends on weave and design and how many days it took to weave. Lovely saree andi. Let's see another gorgeous sari. Yeah, one more stunning red with a different kind of pattern. It called as designer pattern also. Complete geometric pattern with blocks, hearts, round shapes and triangulars. Complete curvy ochindi. And in the middle we got meenakari, lotus. And the border is both sides pastellays with birds, leaf birds, flower birds and leaves, highlighted with meenakari. And this is the pallu, rich floral brocade along with the border. And let me show you the blouse. This is the gorgeous mustard yellow blouse with border, and this is how it looks. Lovely and fabulous combination. And e-sari pricing and details, 23,040 rupees. Take a screenshot, along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Lovely sari. Let's see another gorgeous sari. Wow, superb ga undandi sari. Look at the sari, very gorgeous white color. And ila single white color paiki ye color blouse aina itlage match ayipotundandi. And all over diamond florals vachai. Diamond blocks tho diamond florals vachai. And lovely border. Idi antique zari tho vachindi with floral vines and paisley border, zigzag kaddi. Very gorgeous border. Pallu is zigzag kaddi with floral vines border, highlighted with meenakari. And the blouse is so soothing white, plain with border. And very pretty andi. But దీని పైకి రెడ్ కానీ ఆరెంజ్ కానీ ఏదైతే మనకి మీనాకారీలో వచ్చిందో ఆ బ్లౌజ్ తో హైలైట్ చేసుకుంటే చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంటుంది. And we do customization also. For customized blouses, contact our brand, R for Rupmani, another brand from Brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. For anything regarding designing, just WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. Our designing team will get in contact with you and will suggest you with the best designs. And e-sari pricing and details, 24,840. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Gorgeous white. So beautiful. Let's see another sari. Stunning bottle green. All over floral booties. And downside we got a very big border, almost 12 to 15 inches border, kaddi with Parsi weave. Ante Parsi weave ante gold and meenakari use chesi weave chestarandi with florals and vines. Very gorgeous. And this is the rich kaddi pallu with florals, meenakari florals and leaves. And this is the blouse. Self color with border. You can go for contrast pink color blouse because we got an edge contrast, light purple and pink mixed combination lo ee saree ee blouse veskunte matram fabulous ga untundi, and it's gonna be amazing combination. And ee saree pricing and details, 23,155. And these are pure bridal wear. Lovely sari, very soft Banarasi silk, pure silks. And let me show you another gorgeous sari. Wow, beautiful bright pink, all over floral vines and leaves. And the border is floral vines border. Beautiful jal andi, all over florals vachai gold and silver combination lo. And let's move to the pallu. Pallu vachesi huge floral booties వచ్చాయి with floral vines border. And this is the blouse self color with border. You can go for bottle green blouse. Bottle green gaani gold gaani rendu chaala beautiful ga untayi ee saree ki. And you can go with silver also, and silver also looks amazing. 21,760 and the beautiful saree cost 21,760. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Very pretty. Let me show you another gorgeous saree. Lovely lavender with a combination of pink, orange, all over florals వచ్చాయి. Intricate patterns వచ్చాయి, diamonds with florals and leaves with florals and zigzag, and మధ్యలో floral booties వచ్చాయి. And the border kaddi with florals, scallop border downside, and border paina maniki blocks వచ్చాయి, geometrical blocks with floral booties. And this is the pallu, complete blocks brocade. And this is the gorgeous orange color contrast blouse with buttas, lines along with the border, and I'll be showing the combination. And this is how it looks, very gorgeous and amazing. And ee saree pricing and details 21,520. స్క్రీన్షాట్ తీసి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి 733 రమా గారు, రమ్య గారు, నిర్మలా గారు, థ్యాంక్స్ అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ యువర్ లవ్ అండ్ సపోర్ట్ అండ్ లాట్స్ ఆఫ్ లవ్ ఇన్ రిటర్న్. లెట్ మీ షో యూ అనదర్ గార్జియస్ సారీ. వన్ మోర్ ఫెంటాస్టిక్ బెనారసీ. ఇది వచ్చేసి కొంచెం మనకి జామ్దని స్టైల్లో ఉంది. వీవ్, ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఎంబోజింగ్, complete thread weave with florals, huge florals and leaves, and all over మొత్తం సారీ అలాగే వచ్చింది. And border వచ్చేసి చాలా classy border, thread border with red and orange threads. And this is the pallu, running pallu ended up with border. And చాలా classy collection. And this beautiful saree costs 19,760. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. And then paiki orange color blouse, and this is the blouse. Wow, too good. Let me show you another pretty saree. Beautiful purple saree, all over floral booties, and the border is Parsi border again with the kaddi and florals, meenakari florals and paisleys, and beautiful kaddi pallu with florals and kaddi border. And this is the blouse, self color with border, and the beautiful saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code. It costs 23,155. And this are pure Banarasi silks. Let me show you another pretty saree. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. Cash and delivery option kuda undandi. Stunning yellow, light mustard yellow with light florals like pink, sea green and peach color, and purple with a shade of zari in the middle. and blouse is border is kaddi with florals, and pallu is rich kaddi pallu with borders, and this is the blouse self color with border. You can go for any other color, whatever colors they used in the middle for florals, you can use that colors, bit dark shade like peach, purple and green color. And e saree cost vachesi 24,829. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Very beautiful and gorgeous saree. Let me show you another pretty saree. Lovely pink with a combination of navy blue and all over cross florals vachai, floral booties in the cross lines, and the border is contrast navy blue border with silver kaddi and florals, meenakari florals, lotus, and pallu is also contrast with kaddi and florals. In the middle we got geometrical brocade. And the blouse is contrast with border. And ee saree ki contrast vachindandi, so you don't need to go for another special blouse. Actually Banarasi lo very rarely we get contrast. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Do visit our store. It's in road number 56, Jubilee Hills near Peddamma Temple, and one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills, and both are in Hyderabad. Another gorgeous saree, lovely peach. It's a nude color, peach and blush pink combination lo undi manakidi, and all over blocks, geometric blocks vachai with florals in the middle, alternate florals and geometric blocks. Very gorgeous. And this is the border, kaddi with florals, and this is the pallu, kaddi with florals, and the blouse is completely triangular brocade, self color with triangular brocade. And e saree pricing and details 20,240. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. So beautiful color andi. Naaku ilanti matte shades ante chaala ishtam, and chaala classy ga untundi ilanti combinations, color combination lo kattukunte. Let me show you another pretty saree. Gorgeous black color with a combination of maroonish red and all over gold and silver floral booties, and the border is kaddi border, zigzag kaddi border with maroon color edge contrast, and pallu is completely floral brocade along with the paisleys and zigzag border. And beautiful blouse with border. And this saree pricing and details 17,600. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Beautiful saree and the very soft and lightweight soft Banarasi silk. Let me show you another pretty saree. Wow. It's a burnt orange with a combination of purple. Very gorgeous andi. Chaala amazing ga undi. All over florals and rounds. And chaala shiny undi. Lightweight undi saree. And border contrast with floral vines along with the cross kaddi. Very stunning border. And rich pallu with cross kaddi with florals. Border. And amazing contrast. Purple color blouse with border. Very stunning and lovely, gorgeous saree andi. Too good. Don't miss this saree, and unbelievable price 8,480 only. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733-733-7000. Yes, Andy Sunita Garu, we have video calling facility. You can call us on 733-733-7000. మీకు ఏం శారీస్ కావాలో మా కస్టమర్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ చెప్తే తను చూపిస్తారు. యూ కెన్ బుక్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ శారీ అండ్ వీ షిప్ గ్లోబలీ విత్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్. క్యాష్ ఆన్ డెలివరీ ఆప్షన్ కూడా ఉంది. చూసారు కదండి, చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉందండి. శారీ మాత్రం కలర్ కాంబినేషన్ అదిరిపోయింది. అండ్ 8,000 మాత్రమే, 8,000 చేంజ్ మాత్రమే. సో డోంట్ మిస్ ద శారీ. లవ్లీ గ్రీన్ విత్ రెడ్ కాంబినేషన్. All over peacock booties and border vachesi contrast with blocks, peacocks and round booties, and pallu vachesi complete diamond brocade with blocks, checks, peacocks and round booties border, and lovely blouse. Beautiful ga booties and border vachindi. Very pretty contrast blouse. And ee saree pricing 9,600. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733-733-7000. Very pretty, very gorgeous saree. Another classy collection, it's a Tussar Banarasi. All over booties vachai. It's a light brown and grey mixed combination with a combination of black. Too good andi, too good saree. And floral booties vachai with meenakari, and border is very classy border with floral vines and diamonds and zari lines. Pallu chusiddam. Pallu is completely diamonds and blocks with the floral vines border. This is the blouse, contrast with border. ₹19,010. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733-733-7000. Very classy and very fabulous saree. Very beautiful. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Pista green with pink combination and green edge contrast, and all over booties vachai, floral booties vachai, and border is contrast with floral vines and diamond brocade border and cross kaddi, and pallu vachesi zigzag kaddi with floral border, floral vines border, and stunning blouse bright pink with booties and border. So beautiful. And the saree price 9,120 only. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733-733-7000. Too good andi. Ivanni weavers prices and these are pure silks. నేనైతే చూస్తున్నాను ఇవన్నీ ప్యూర్ సిల్క్స్ and that too weavers prices only for 24 hours, and this is exclusive for Insta and live FB users. Let's see another collection, and for more updates stay tuned and follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook as well as YouTube. Ee saree vachesi light lavender shade. It's a pastel color, all over geometric blocks with silver zari, and border vachesi self color with leaves and kaddi border, and lovely pallu with the diamond brocade along with the zigzag and kaddi border. Let me show you the blouse. This is the blouse, lavender with border. You can go for contrast silver color blouse, even that looks amazing on this. చాలా బాగుంటుంది సిల్వర్ టిష్యూతో కనుక బ్లౌజ్ వేసుకుంటే అదిరిపోతుంది. అండ్ వెరీ లైట్ కలర్ కాబట్టి పాస్టల్ షేడ్ కాబట్టి ఆబ్వియస్లీ ఇట్ లుక్స్ క్లాసీ. And 12,320 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Let's see another pretty saree. Wow, beautiful purple color with a combination of pink. And you all know purple and pink are the evergreen combination. And very pretty booties with sparrow, floral with sparrow, and the border is floral vines with geometric booties and lovely curvy lines with florals and geometric border. And the blouse is self plain blouse with border. And this saree pricing and details 15,360. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Very gorgeous purple and pink. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Wow, beautiful pink, bright pink. It's a shining ostandi jewel tone laga, and complete floral vines vachai with florals, and border is cross kaddi with florals highlighted with silver border, light silver line. And this is the gorgeous pallu with floral booties along with the cross kaddi and kaddi with florals border. And the blouse is self plain blouse with border. And this saree pricing 17,840. Take a screenshot and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. And let's talk about my silver jewelry. And this is the beautiful bangle. 12,350 it costs. These are polkis with rubies, and these are beautiful earrings. 3,200 with lovely pearls and decorated rubies vachai. Very gorgeous. And back to our collection. Let's see another saree. Mustard with orange mixed combination. All over cross lines with floral booties, leaf booties, florals. And idantha jamdani pattern lo undi border, contrast border with jamdani style pastels and florals along with the stems. And this is the pallu. Madhilanta rich kaddi with huge plant booties with border, floral vines border. And the blouse is contrast red color blouse with border. Too good and too lovely. And this saree pricing 19,520. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Let's see another pretty saree. Lovely navy blue with red combination. All over floral booties vachai. And zigzag kaddi border. And pallu is zigzag kaddi pallu. And the blouse is contrast red color blouse with border. And the saree price 19,200. Take a screenshot and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Yes, Andi Ragini Garu. It's a screw type. and it's openable. ఇక్కడ మనకి స్క్రూ వస్తుంది దీంట్లో. You can remove this pin. Beautiful blue with red combination, all over florals, marigold florals with leaves, and this is the border, thick zari border, very heavy zari work andi, chala heavy zari with florals, and pallu vachesi zigzag kaddi with florals and diamond brocade border. And this is the blouse with border, red color contrast. And this saree pricing 20,240. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Too good. Purple with pink combination katan silk. It's a Banarasi katan silk and all over floral booties vachai with meenakari, and the border is cross cutty with floral vines. And this is the pallu, completely huge floral booties and florals along with the floral vines and leaf border. And the blouse is contrast with border. And this saree pricing and details 9,680. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Ravi garu, Shilpa garu, Geeta garu, thank you Andy. Thank you so much for your love and affection. Keep supporting us, keep following us, and lots of love in written. Take care all. ఇందాక నేను చూపించిన బ్లూ అండ్ రెడ్ కలర్ సారీ ఒకసారి డీటెయిలింగ్ గా చూద్దామండి. Now back to our collection. Kirtana garu, yes Andy, I'll be showing that pink saree which you liked. This is a beautiful pink color saree, very stunning Andy, chaala bright ga undi, and ఇది dual tone అండి, చాలా shiny ఉంది, light weight ఉంది, very soft, and all over gold and silver zari combination లో వచ్చింది మీకు. Look at the weave, florals with leaves, and very neat work, neat weave, and border kuda beautiful ga vachindi, floral vines border. And this is the pallu with border and florals, and this is the blouse. You can go for silver, gold or any other contrast color, and half white kuda chaala beautiful ga untundi. And e-saree pricing 21,760. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Chusaru kadandi Kirtana garu? Yeah. Hope you like this beautiful saree. Let's see another collection. Blue with pink, all over floral booties with meenakari and lovely Parsi style border, contrast border with temples, and zari with meenakari florals and edge contrast, and lovely pallu, contrast pallu with temples, florals, and madhyalo anta brocade ochindi, floral brocade with meenakari. And the blouse is gorgeous pink color blouse with border, and the beautiful sari price 10,560. Take a screenshot along with the code 10,560 and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Karuna garu, thank you so much. Keep following us. I'll be bringing lots of collections to y'all. Lovely magenta pink with silver color florals and mustard combination lo ochindi. Border is mustard with floral vines, and pallu is mustard border. In the middle we got diamond brocade with floral booties, ended up with zari lines, and this is the blouse, beautiful contrast mustard blouse with border. And e-sari pricing 17,170. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Lovely. Beautiful red and green combination, all over florals వచ్చాయి with gold and silver combination, and border వచ్చేసి diamond geometric pattern with floral vines. This is the beautiful border, and this is the pallu, complete geometric pattern వచ్చిందండి. And the blouse is contrast brocade blouse, leaf brocade blouse, and e-sari pricing 17,420. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Very pretty. Let me show you another gorgeous sari. Lovely green. It's a dark green. All over silver zari to florals and leaves వచ్చాయి, huge florals and leaves. And the border is rich kaddi pallu with meenakari, huge and small florals along with the leaves. Lovely red. This is the border, rich kaddi with temples and florals, meenakari florals, and the blouse is self color with border, and e-sari price 17,600. Take a screenshot and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Lovely sari. Let's see another pretty sari. Blue and blue. All over round booties with florals and small florals. And border is contrast with cross kaddi and florals. And beautiful pallu. Round booties with florals, and stunning blouse, contrast blouse with border, very amazing and very lovely. And this sari pricing 8,480. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Very pretty sari. It's another gorgeous sari. Lovely wine shade with yellow combination. Very beautiful and complete jal with multicolor florals. Very pretty floral jal. And diamond brocade border with leaves border, and pallu is completely diamond brocade. And the blouse is amazing, contrast bright yellow color blouse with border, two good combination wine with yellow. And the sari pricing, take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. ఈ సారీ డీటెయిలింగ్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. వెరీ ప్రిటీ సారీ, మల్టీ కలర్స్ వచ్చాయి. అండ్ ఎల్లోనే కాకుండా మీరు అందులో ఉన్న కలర్స్ ఏ కలర్ బ్లౌజ్ అయినా వేసుకోవచ్చు అండి. లైక్ రెడ్ కానీ గోల్డ్ కానీ వెరీ ప్రిటీ సిల్వర్ కానీ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ గోస్ వెల్. Now back to our collection. Let's see another gorgeous sari. Lovely beige color with pink combination. All over florals, gold and silver floral booties with meenakari. And chinna edge contrast vachindandi border. And pallu is completely diamond, florals in diamond, and stunning blouse, contrast with brocade blouse. And the saree pricing and details, 15,330. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Very pretty. Now back to our collection. Let's see another sari. Orange and pink. Floral booties with meenakari and zari. And the border is contrast with floral brocade kaddi along with the floral vines and paisleys. Lovely floral brocade pallu with paisleys and leaves border, and the blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details, 9,920. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. Cash and delivery option kuda undi. Jolly garu, yes, and I'll be showing. Very gorgeous purple with pink combination saree. It's a pure Banarasi silk and all over booties vachai with meenakari. Cute booties. And the border is contrast with floral vines and kaddi. Cross kaddi border vachindi. Very gorgeous border. And this is the pallu. Complete huge florals with floral vines border. And this is the pretty contrast blouse with border andi. Very amazing combination. It's a Banarasi, pure Banarasi silk saree. And this saree pricing 9,680. After discount, it's a weaver's prices. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Hope you like this saree, Jolly Ji. Wow, stunning Banarasi silk with yellowish beige color and all over geometric pattern with zari. Complete stripes వచ్చాయి and triangular booties లాగా వచ్చాయండి. Triangular shape and diamond shapes. And border వచ్చేసి diamond brocade with edge contrast, pista green edge contrast వచ్చింది. And lovely pallu with diamond brocade with border. And very pretty blouse with border. Self color, plain blouse with border. Superb ga undi saree and ee saree price 18,400. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Too good andi, very bright collection. Very pretty saree. Let's see another pretty saree. Lovely orange, pink, complete Meena Jal, florals and leaves. And border jesse florals with meenakari, brocade blouse. And beautiful diamond brocade border with floral border. And the blouse is self color with border. You can go for bottle green blouse. And this saree pricing 20,836. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Yes, Andy Alka Garu, we have cash and delivery in Hyderabad. After receiving your courier, you can pay the amount. Lovely purple. Very stunning saree. Complete scallop border వచ్చిందండి. Scallop view వచ్చింది all over ga with floral booties. And border వచ్చేసి floral vines. And pallu వచ్చేసి floral vines border, మధ్యలో huge floral booties వచ్చాయి. And the blouse is self color with border. And this saree price 12,880. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Beautiful. And let's see another pretty saree. It's quite different, maroon color. And all over మొత్తం geometric triangles వచ్చాయి, overlapping triangles. బ్యూటిఫుల్ బ్రౌనిష్ మరూన్ అండ్ బార్డర్ వచ్చేసి ఎడ్జ్ స్క్వేర్స్ వచ్చాయండి. And this is the pallu with geometric floral plant booties. And this is the blouse, very pretty with lines and border. Too good. And the saree pricing 17,840 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. It's another gorgeous saree. Wow, beautiful yellow with maroon pasupu kunkuma combination. Very lovely shade. It's a traditional combination and all over florals వచ్చాయి and floral lines తో line వచ్చింది. Border is contrast with zigzag and florals. పళ్ళు వచ్చేసి diamond brocade with florals. Very gorgeous blouse, contrast with border and buttas. Too good. Booties రావడం వల్ల చాలా అందంగా అనిపిస్తుంది. Look at the combination, how fabulous it is, isn't it? And ఈ saree pricing and details very lovely అండి. చాలా బాగుంది saree and blouse కూడా అద్రిపోయింది. And ఈ saree pricing and details, take a screenshot along with the code. 10,884 only after discount. It's a weaver's prices. Send us immediately on 733 733 7000. బ్యూటిఫుల్. నాకైతే బ్లౌజ్ చాలా చాలా నచ్చిందండి. మరొకసారి మీకోసం. టూ గుడ్, వెరీ లవ్లీ. అంత బూటీస్ వచ్చినందుకు చాలా లవ్లీగా కనపడుతుంది. నాకైతే చాలా నచ్చింది. లుక్ ఎట్ ద బ్లౌజ్, హౌ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఇట్ ఈస్. సో ఈ శారీ మాత్రం మిస్ అవ్వకండి, నాకు పర్సనల్గా బాగా నచ్చింది. అండ్ ఇంతకుముందు నేను చూపించాను కదండి పర్పుల్ విత్ స్కాలోప్ ఇంట్రికేట్ డిజైన్, పర్పుల్ శారీ సింగిల్ కలర్. జస్ట్ హ్యావ్ అ లుక్. Now back to our collection. Lovely blue saree with yellow combination. All over floral jal with multi-color threads, meenakari and diamond brocade border. Complete meenakari florals వచ్చేందుకు చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉందండి. సారీ అంతా మల్టీ కలర్స్ తో కలర్ఫుల్ గా ఉంది. అండ్ పళ్ళు వచ్చేసి డైమండ్ బ్రొకేడ్. And beautiful contrast yellow color blouse with lines and border. Too good. And ee saree pricing and details 19,680. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. 19,680. It's another gorgeous saree. Beautiful lavender with all over checks. And border is satin border, bit darker lavender with zari lines, and we got very pretty booties, floral booties, and lovely pallu, kaddi with florals and cross kaddi border. And this is the blouse, self color with lines and border. And ee saree price vachesi 8,000. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Neeraj garu, thank you so much Andy for your love and affection. Lots of love in return. Wow, beautiful and amazing saree with a very pretty combination of blue and black. All over floral vines achai, florals and leaves jal, and border is stunning black color border. Kaddi వచ్చి geometric pattern లో వచ్చింది. పై వైపు అంతా beautiful sunflowers వచ్చాయి with leaves with meenakari, and pallu వచ్చేసి complete floral brocade అండి with borders, floral vines border, and blouse is none other than stunning black color. Isn't it gorgeous? Very pretty saree and lovely combination andi, black with border. Too good and chaala different ga undi saree. And ee saree pricing and details 20,000 to 40. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Very lovely combination. Too good. Lovely combination andi. Ee saree matram miss avvakandi. Rare is different antar kada, and rare is beautiful also. And ee saree detailing ga okkari chuseddam. Very pretty saree. And keep on following us regularly in Instagram, Facebook, and Brand Mandir page follow avandi marchipokunda, endukante whenever we upload new collection you will be getting notifications. Alage YouTube lo kuda ma channel subscribe cheyandi, like cheyandi, share cheyandi, and pakkane unna bell icon click cheyandi so that whenever we upload new collection you will be getting notification. So don't miss us and miss our collection. Do follow us regularly. And lots of love in return. Thanks for your love and support. Keep on loving us. I'll be bringing beautiful collections to you all. Love you all. Let's see another saree. And ee saree blue saree oksa detailing ga chuseddam. Now back to our collection. Let me show you another pretty saree which is in mustard and red combination. Lovely floral booties, and border is contrast. Red color border with paisleys and florals along with the cross kaddi. And very pretty pallu, rich kaddi pallu with florals and booties. And this is the blouse, contrast with border, and a beautiful sari. Pricing and details. $8,480. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733-733-7000. Beautiful andi, chaala pretty ga undi and lovely. Too good. One more traditional and lovely combination, evergreen combination. Let's see another stunning saree. ఇంకొక saree వచ్చేస్తుందండి. Gorgeous black with mustard yellow combination. Very pretty and all over paisley booties వచ్చాయి. Superb గా ఉంది saree. And border వచ్చేసి contrast with a floral brocade and floral vines with colorful meenakari. And pallu is contrast with pretty meenakari highlighted with florals వచ్చాయి, complete jal. And gorgeous blouse with border. Too good andi, too good and too lovely saree. And ee saree pricing 9,200. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733-733-7000. Stunning black with yellow. Black and yellow andarki telisinde. It's one of the loveliest combination ever. Black with red, black with yellow. Black to ye combination aina adurusandi always. And let's see another gorgeous saree. Purple and grey, light grey. All over stripes వచ్చాయి, floral vine stripes. And this is the border, rich kaddi border with diamond brocade. And lovely pallu with diamond brocade and florals in it. And this is the gorgeous blouse, grey color with border. And ee saree pricing 13,520. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733-733-7000. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. Cash and delivery option kuda. Beautiful brown color Banarasi silk saree, all over body checks. And the border is satin border with floral booties and zari lines. Pallu is kaddi with florals and cross kaddi border. And the blouse is self color with lines and border. And e-saree pricing and details 8,000 rupees. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733-733-7000. Beautiful saree, lovely brown. Let's see another color. Wow, too good, very beautiful saree. Yellow and yellow with brown combination, dark brown. and all over diamond design వచ్చింది with florals. Pallu is contrast with geometric pattern brocade along with the cross kaddi, and very gorgeous blouse with border. Superb ga undandi saree matram, too soft and very lightweight and stunning combination, very gorgeous. And ee saree pricing vachesi 11,280. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733-733-7000. Beautiful saree, mustard with wine color, superb ga undi. And last saree for today, amazing zigzag pattern వచ్చింది, and border వచ్చేసి పైథనీ స్టైల్లో వచ్చిందండి, కడ్డీ with florals, pink edge contrast. And this is the pallu, rich kaddi pallu with florals, and blouse is self color with border. And ee saree pricing 15,360. Take a screenshot and send us immediately on 733-733-7000. And ee roju nenu chuvinchina sarees anni pure Banarasi silks. They are pure and weavers prices. Very gorgeous. Mannequins prices kuda kanukkundamandi. గ్రీన్ అండ్ రెడ్ కలర్ లో వచ్చిందండి. Beautiful red and green color, floral booties వచ్చాయి, very pretty. And border వచ్చేసి floral vines with diamond brocade. And ఈ saree pricing 8,800. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733-733-7000. Next saree వచ్చేసి beautiful yellow and red combination. All over booties వచ్చాయండి, floral booties. Border వచ్చేసి కడ్డీ with florals వచ్చాయి, contrast. And ఈ saree pricing and details, take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733-733-7000. Another gorgeous saree, green and red, complete floral booties వచ్చాయి. And saree price 20,240. చూసారు కదండి, ఇప్పుడు టేబుల్స్ పైన ఉన్న కలెక్షన్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. If you missed any screenshot, just take a screenshot now. And some more collections are here. If you missed any screenshot, take a screenshot now. Very lovely and different collections we have today, Andy. చూసారు కదండి వాళ్ళ గార్జియస్ బెనారసీ ప్యూర్ బెనారసీ సిల్క్ శారీస్ అట్ వీవర్స్ ప్రైజెస్. సో రేపు 11 AM లైవ్లో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దామండి. And you can visit our store. It's in road number 56, Jubilee Hills near Padma Temple. And one more store is at road number 10. And for more collections, for more updates, follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook. Until then, bye-bye. Have a good day. Good night.